Hi everyone, on this video I'm gonna show you how to fade to white in Davinci Resolve. So if you wanna add a effect that is your video is fading to white, this is how you do it. So first import your video and add it to your timeline, and then go to effects, and then after going to effects, go to toolbox, video transition, and then dip color to dissolve, and then put it at the end of your video. And then once you put it at the end of your video, you notice that it is actually fading to black. So what you need to do is click on the effects here at the end of your video, go to inspector, and once here on the inspector, go to transition, and then go down. You'll see this color. All you need to do is select the right color that you want. You need to select the white one, this one, and then click OK. And then let's see if the video is already fading to white. There you go. The video is already fading to white, and that's how you fade to white in Davinci Resolve. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.